That's a pretty good question. Who wants to live forever? I don't know. I've read a lot of vampire books, and I always thought that it would be highly erotic to be a vampire. So I guess it's kind of a tweak on the perception of Tuck Everlasting for me, is that if I was going to live forever, I'd probably want to be a vampire. But anyways, um, with it, if I had the choice, I would be very confused. I would probably take it though, because you'd get a world of experience that you might not have otherwise. I think it would get lonely unless you had someone to share that with. I hate seeing friends go and that. And then if you only have one companion with you that was immortal forever, you guys would drive each other nuts. But then again, I can't imagine spending a lifetime with anyone, so, you know. Um, um, what else was I going to say? Oh, crap. And then there comes the question of what would you do with immortality? Well, I would see everything in the world. And I would have a hard struggle between being chaotic good or chaotic bad or even chaotic neutral. I would very much so struggle with that because you can do anything. So what would stop you from turning completely evil and just doing whatever the hell you want? So I think it would be a very hard thing, and it would come with a lot of responsibility. As to whether I would do it, probably.